Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about mole concept. Before going to the mole concept, we have to know what is atomic mass and molecular mass. Atomic mass, actually atom it is a very small particle. So atom we cannot see by our naked eye. நம்ம கண்ணாலேயே பார்க்க முடியாத அந்த ஆட்டத்தினுடைய மாஸ் அப்ப நம்ம எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சுன்னா we can find relatively அப்படின்னா initially we take a hydrogen. When compared to the hydrogen, other element, how many times is that? That is the mass of the other elements. So we fix hydrogen mass is 1 because it is the lightest. So hydrogen compare பண்ணும்போது carbon எவ்வளவு time இருக்கு mass? It is 12 times greater. So the mass of carbon is 12. We take a nitrogen. Nitrogen, how many times it is greater? 14 times. So the mass of nitrogen is 14. Okay, sir. Then why we are using in a definition? Why we are using a carbon 12? Initially, we used as a hydrogen, but the hydrogen has isotopes and handling it is also difficult. That is the reason we are taking carbon. So 1/12 carbon part compare how many times it is greater? That is the mass of other elements. Actually, atomic mass is represented by unit AMU and it is represented by the symbol U. Okay, it is called as a unified mass. That unified mass value should be equal to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, how this value is comes means I will explain little later after seeing Avogadro concept. Next is molar mass. Molar mass is algebraic sum of atomic mass of element in a molecule. It is called as a molar mass. That is simple add pandrom. So mass of each element weight add pannina we can get molar mass. For example, methane molecules. So methane molecule molar mass, we know that carbon mass is 12, hydrogen is 1. So inge parunga, see here, so 1 carbon is there, so 1 into 12, 4 hydrogen is there, so 4 into 1, so 12 plus 4 16 U. Okay, so the mass of methane is 16. So we know that what is atomic mass? Molecular mass. Atomic mass means the mass of single atom. And molecular mass means the mass of molecules. It will be equal to algebraic sum of atomic mass of all elements present in a molecule. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about mole concept. Okay. What is mole concept? So before going to the mole concept, we know that 1 dozen pencil, 1 dozen apple. So 1 dozen is represent what? 1 dozen means it represents 12. 1 dozen apple means it is a 12 apples. So எப்படி வந்து ஒரு 1 dozenங்கிறது நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். Similarly, mole concept என்ன அப்படின்னா ஒரு particular amount of molecules or atom வந்து we call as 1 mole. Okay, see here. So simply 1 mole means how many? 1 mole means what is the weight of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. That is called as a 1 mole. Actually, initially we taken carbon 12 gram. We compared in a carbon 12 gram, it contained 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So carbon 12 gram contain this much of atom. Similarly, other elements also, when it is contained this much of atom, their weight they calculated, that mass is called as a 1 mole. Okay, the definition of 1 mole is represent as 1 mole is a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there are atoms, exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotopes. That carbon 12 isotopes la எவ்வளோ atoms இருந்தோ similar atoms இருக்கக்கூடிய other elements weight எவ்வளவோ that will be called as a 1 mole. Actually, carbon 12 gram contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Okay, so that number is called as a Avogadro number. So in the இதே அளவு number of atoms other elements எவ்வளோ weight வருதோ that will be called as a 1 mole. For example, copper 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of copper weight will be equal to 63.5 gram. That means 1 mole of copper is 63.5 gram. Do you understand what is the mole? Mole ங்கிறது வந்து என்னது? Similar, actually we are taken this concept for to understand the reactions. For example, the reaction of hydrogen plus oxygen gives H2O. Equation balance panina 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. So what is the meaning of this reaction? 2 moles of hydrogen will react with 1 mole of oxygen. It gives 2 moles of H2O. So what is that? 1 mole of hydrogen molecules weight 2 gram. 2 moles na 4 gram hydrogen we have to take. And 1 mole of oxygen weight is 16 gram. So 1 mole of 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen react, it gives, what is that? Sorry, actually 1 mole of oxygen atom is 16. So oxygen molecule will comes 32 grams. So 32 plus 4, it will come 36 gram. So 1 mole of oxygen molecule is 32 grams. So 2 moles of hydrogen, 1 mole of oxygen react, it gives 2 moles of H2O. That weight is 36 grams. So இதெல்லாம் equations proper study பண்றதுக்கும் அதை balance பண்றதுக்கும் தான் we are introducing the concept mole. So what is a mole? Mole is the amount of a substance that contains as many particles or entities as there in atom. Exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, it is called as a 1 mole. Okay, so அதாவது என்னது 1 mole of a substance 6.023 into 10 to the power atom is present. That number is called as a Avogadro number. Okay, I said initially, I said atomic mass of carbon is represented by 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. It will becomes by actually 1 gram of hydrogen, because already now hydrogen it is a lightest. So 1 gram of hydrogen weight, 1 gram hydrogen, it should be equal to 1 mole of hydrogen. So 1 mole of hydrogen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. அப்போ ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனோட weight அப்படினா 1 divided by this value. So 1 hydrogen weight should be equal to 1 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So இதனுடைய divide பண்ற value தான் it should be equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, do you understand what is atomic mass and what is molecular mass and what is mole? So mole concepts வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படினு சொல்லிச்சுனா it is not only for molecules, atoms, molecules, what is it, formula mass, எல்லாத்துக்குமே we can take. So 1 mole of hydrogen atom அப்படினா it should contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen atom. அதே 1 mole water molecules அப்படினா that much molecules. 1 mole sodium chloride na that much formula unit of sodium chloride. Okay, so this is the concept of moles. So now we go to discuss about the problem related to mole concept and the mole concept related problems. See the first question. 1 mole of CH4 contains. Okay. So 1 mole of CH4 contains. So if 1 mole should be equal to 1 mole of a molecule should be equal to the molecular mass of the particular molecule. அப்ப இங்க 1 mole of CH4 என்ன இருக்கும்? கண்டிப்பா it should be equal to the mass of CH4. So carbon mass is 12. Hydrogen mass is 1. So 4 hydrogen are 4 into 1. So total should be equal to 16 gram. So 1 mole of CH4 weight is 16 gram. But in the 16 gram kuduthala. Next mole enna 1 mole of a molecule should be equal to the same number of Avogadro number of molecules. Appo 1 mole of CH4 should be equal to Avogadro number of CH4 molecules. So Avogadro number of CH4 molecules kudukala. Here they are given a 6.81. That is wrong. Okay, because actually Avogadro number is what is that? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CH4 will comes. அது வந்ததான் கரெக்ட். இங்க வந்து 1.8 கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. That is wrong. சரி, வேற என்ன நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சுனா ஒரு molecule of CH4 ல வந்து 4 hydrogen atoms இருக்கு. So what is the weight of a hydrogen? 4 gram. 12 gram for carbon and 4 gram for hydrogen. So 4 gram of hydrogen atom is present here. So 1 mole of CH4 contains 4 gram of hydrogen. So this is answer. Up 3 gram of carbon, it is wrong. Yes or wrong? 1 mole evlo gram 12 gram carbon is there. So option B is also wrong. So option A was correct. 1 mole evlo hydrogen 4 hydrogens irukku. Up 4 hydrogen அப்படின்னு சொல்லிச்சுன்னா 1 mole of a substance contains 4 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atom. Molecules சொல்லும்போது தான் 1 Avogadro number of CH4. But atomல சொல்லும்போது 4 atom இருக்கு. 1 molecule 4 atom. So 4 into Avogadro numbers of hydrogen atom present. So 4 into Avogadro numbers na Avogadro number வந்து denoted by Na ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That should be equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. சரிங்களா? இப்ப 6.023 னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணலாம், 6.022 னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணலாம், இல்ல 6.02 னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு சில ப்ராப்ளத்துல they take us 6 into 10 to the power 23 னு கூட எடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, so அப்ப ஆப்ஷன் A is also wrong. So எப்ப ஆப்ஷன் A கரெக்ட் ஆகணும்னா 4 into னு கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா it is right. சரி, next questions பார்த்துக்கலாம். So whenever you are studying about it, நீங்க other options compare பண்ணி தான் answers prepare பண்ணா it gives a better understanding. See here, which one of the following is a light test? So light test அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they are given a certain things. You just light test னு கொடுத்தா they are mentioning only the weight. So you converted into the respective weight here. So 2 moles of hydrogen gas னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Hydrogen atom கொடுத்தாதா mass of hydrogen is 1. Hydrogen gas அப்படின்னா naturally H2 வந்து கேஸா மட்டும்தான் it will be exist. So இப்போ H2 உடைய weight எவ்வளவு? 2 hydrogen atomனா it must be 2 gram. ஏன்னா ஒரு ஆட்டத்துக்கு 1 gram. அப்ப 2 hydrogen ஆட்டத்துக்கு 2 into 1 2 gram. அப்ப இங்க எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? 0.1 mole. So உனக்கு தெரியும் 1 mole contain 2 gram. அப்ப 0.2 mole அப்படின்னா 0.2 into 2 gram. That should be equal to 0.4 gram. Okay, next one. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen. இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி தான். நைட்ரஜன் ஆட்டம் கொடுத்தா தான் n. நைட்ரஜன் மாலிகுல்னு கொடுத்தா we have to take N2. சரியா? So இப்போ N2ங்கிறது நைட்ரஜன் மாலிகுல்ஸ். Nitrogen molecular weight வந்து 2 into 14 it will comes 28 gram. So 1 mole of a substance contain 28 gram. 1 mole of a nitrogen molecular weight is 28 gram. So நமக்கு தெரியும் 1 mole ங்கிறது எவ்வளவு? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of nitrogen வந்து உனக்கு எவ்வளவு? 28 gram. ஆனா இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாரு, 10 to the power 23 molecules. அப்ப என்ன வரும் உனக்கு? அப்ப therefore 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of nitrogen should be equal to, இப்ப இந்த மாஸ் எவ்வளவு? 28 divided by இந்த இது வரும் 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into in the value 6.023 into 10 to the power 22. அப்போ இந்த 6.23 6.23 கேன்சல் ஆகும். 10 to the power 23 இது 10 to the power 23. இப்போ பவர்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும், சப்ட்ராக்ட் ஆகும். அப்போ கேன்சல் ஆச்சுன்னா இங்க வந்து 10 to the power 1 will comes. அப்போ 10 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா உனக்கு எவ்வளவு வரும், 2.8 கிராம் வரும். So this weight is 2.8 gram. இங்க வந்து ஆல்ரெடி they are given in a weight தான். So அப்போ 0.1 gram silver. Last one பாரு, 0.1 mole of oxygen atom. Already we know that 1 mole of oxygen atom weight வந்து இங்கே ஆக்சிஜன் கேஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ O2 கேஸ், ஆக்சிஜனுடைய weight வந்து ஒரு ஆட்டத்துக்கு 16 கிராம். அப்போ 2 ஆட்டத்துக்கு வந்து it will comes 32 gram. So 1 mole of hydrogen is 32 gram. But they are asking 0.1 என்ன வரும், ஒரு digit தள்ளி புள்ளி வைங்க, 3.2 gram of oxygen molecule. So the weight is 3.2 gram. So இப்போ compare பண்ணுங்க, இருக்குதுல which is the lowest, silver is the lowest. So option C is the answer. So next one.